Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you don't have to eat cold lunch on site anymore. Today we're taking a look at the new Milwaukee M18 PACKOUT heating lunch boxes. Let's check them out. We all have busy lives these days, so saving time and money is key. That's the true benefit of these lunch boxes. You can meal prep for the week and have a hot lunch on site every day of the week. No matter the terrain on the job site, Milwaukee's precision design ensures safe transport across rugged work environments. That means no spills. These durable containers are equipped with leak-proof lids that secure your meals. Plus, for maximum job site convenience, these lunchboxes feature full PACKOUT compatibility, locking directly into existing modular storage stacks for effortless mobility across busy site locations. Plus, this system works perfectly with your existing Milwaukee M18 batteries. These units are also fully capable of heating up to 2 meals on a single fully charged M18 5-amp battery. Designed to streamline your daily routine, you can simply preset your preferred mealtime, allowing the lunchbox to heat your meal ready for when your break arrives. You can select temperatures of low, medium, or high, heating your food up to 96 degrees. The lunchboxes also feature thermal efficiency with custom foam insulation, which actively keeps your food warm for up to 30 minutes after heating. You're not working in an office. Job sites are dusty and dirty. But these lunchboxes have been built to withstand harsh environments. They are durable, leak-proof, water and dust resistant. One of the best features of these lunchboxes is that the containers and lids are dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy, saving you time and effort after a long day. Delivering hot meals wherever work takes you. You can rely on fresh food fueling you throughout the day. Get yourself a Milwaukee M18 heating lunchbox today at your nearest TradeTools store or online at TradeTools.com. Be sure to like and follow us to find out about the latest industry tools and get the best deals.